India, and this is Sauce, Spice, and Smoke, where we add levels of flavor using sauces, spices, and smoke to average everyday cuisine. So I'm gonna show you how to make a meal today, something that you can make at home yourself, and just thinking outside the box. So we cook food, people like to cook food, they may not like to cook food, people go out to eat all the time, people are scared of making food. I run into people all the time who really don't know what to do. I get a lot of questions like, how do I make this? What sausage do you use on that? And this concept is going to help me share my skills and talents with the world in regards to, doing things, because I'm very saucy. Every plate has a sauce on it. I season things appropriately with spices. That's very important. So I'm going to show you why these things are important, because they add so much flavor to your food and meals that when you cook food at home, you're going to be excited about the things that you can do utilizing these techniques, okay?
This is absolutely immaculate, and to watch her make this in an hour and a half worth of time. From how she prepared the meats to the mashed potatoes to the whole process seems seamless, and it's something that we could actually do at home. And yeah, this just took our cooking to another level. I know nobody else is talking.
No, I'm a little baby.
This is delicious.
So,
It's like for real. I'm not even playing around. This is really good.